Did you know that dieting with a buddy can help you lose more weight? Welcome to the power of partnership in shedding those extra pounds. You see, journeying towards weight loss doesn't have to be a lonely expedition. Having a partner by your side can bring about a world of difference. Imagine having someone who shares the same goal, someone who understands the struggle, and someone who can provide that much-needed nudge when the journey seems uphill. A weight loss buddy can be your cheerleader, your coach, and your confidant, all rolled into one. They provide motivation when your spirits are low, accountability when you need that extra push, and support when the road seems tough. Yes, this shared goal and mutual encouragement can make your weight loss journey more bearable, even enjoyable. So having a weight loss buddy can really make a difference. But why does this work scientifically? Let's find out. When it comes to losing weight, science shows that we're better together. Let's delve into why. The human psyche is a fascinating entity, and it plays a significant role in buddy dieting. The concept of shared responsibility is at its core. When you're accountable to someone else, you're more likely to stick to your diet plan. Then there's mutual encouragement. It's no secret that weight loss can be a challenging journey, but having a buddy to cheer you on can make it a little less daunting. This emotional support can significantly boost your motivation and resilience in the face of obstacles. Lastly, there's positive peer pressure. When you see your buddy making healthy choices, it can inspire you to do the same. It's not about competition, but rather about inspiring each other to strive for better. So it's clear that the science supports the idea of buddy dieting. But how can you put this into practice? Now that we understand the science, how can we use buddy dieting to our advantage? Well, it's about turning understanding into action. Begin by finding a buddy with similar weight loss goals. This synchronicity will foster a shared determination and a sense of camaraderie. Next, set clear, achievable expectations. This isn't a race, it's a journey. Progress may be slow, but remember, it's steady progress that counts. And don't forget, communication is key. Regular check-ins with each other not only help keep you accountable, but also provide an opportunity for support and encouragement. It's during these moments of sharing struggles and celebrating victories that the bond between you and your diet buddy truly strengthens. In essence, buddy dieting is about partnership, perseverance, and mutual support. It's about celebrating each other's progress and picking each other up during setbacks. So, are you ready to start your weight loss journey with a buddy? If you're interested in losing weight, click on the link provided in the box or profile bio to get started. Remember, together we can achieve more.